Okay, and just keep your windows rolled up and then enjoy.
Thank you so much. We're so excited.
I know. Alice is gonna wash our car.
I wanted to.
Are you taping video?
Yeah, I totally am.
Hey, Alice.
Oh my
That is so cool.
God.
Look at our old lady.
Hi, Mr. Elephant.
Mrs.
Mrs.
Whoa.
Well, I don't know if she's married, but she's an old lady. Oh my God, Gabby!
Do it again.
This is so amazing.
Get that trunk. That's so cool.
I know.
Get it over here.
It has eyelashes.
She does. She's so beautiful. Oh my God, her ears.
Oh my
That's amazing.
goodness. This is so fucking cool.
Tessa, you're my favorite person right now.
Oh, she's got a sponge. She's scrubbing. Holy shit, this is so cool.
This video is gonna be nothing but me giggling.
I
because
know,
it's so awesome.
you have to share it with me. I love it. Oh my goodness.
Let's get her. Oh.
That is so cool.
No, I'm so excited.
You are such a good elephant.
Yeah. Amazing.
Gotta get the other side.
Amazing animal.
Oh my God, what are they giving
I
her?
don't know. Look at her with her trunk up. She is so beautiful.
Oh,
She's
they're
42.
celery. They're like the ends of celery.
Oh, 40. Did they say 42?
Mm-hmm. Oh, she's got her foot up.
She is so cute. She is beautiful.
I know. They're they're like wonderful,
Look
so
how
smart.
gorgeous. Oh,
Let's see if we can get her like eating. Yay!
that is so cool.
See, that's what the trunk's for, guys. Because she can't pick that shit up with her hands.
That's so cool.
Yeah, thank you so much for coming. I got some good shots for you guys.
Awesome, thank you.
So I took a whole bunch, just delete what you don't want.